How to fix allow camera access not showing on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. And let's say you're just trying to allow the access for the camera for any specific apps or any built-in apps on your iPhone, and you're not getting this option to allow the camera from this specific app. Then here in this video I'll show you two different easy ways to fix the problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you can do, just go ahead and force the restart your icon. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And this will restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely the software bugs and glitches will be fixed, and the allow camera access will be appear right inside the settings. If this process doesn't work for you, then this is the final process to fix the problem. Open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and you just need to tap on reset location and privacy right over here. If you tap on this one, just go ahead and put your iPhone passcode and then simply go ahead and tap on reset settings, and this will reset your location and privacy related settings, and it will get back to this default. And once you get back, most likely problem is going to solve. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.